we have a trauma workshop that we're offering in person for men on June 22nd and 23rd. 2 days on a weekend in person, downtown Vancouver at our office, run by myself and Trevor Bird, who is very skilled working with trauma and internal family systems. And I've been running this anger management company for the last 29 years. So I have a lot of training and experience in this area too. And we know that men need more healing. We need more men stepping up and doing some serious healing. Angerman.online is the website. Head over there, go to the shop page, check it out. It's 2 full days, $750 Canadian. Yeah, if you've done some healing, you want to take that next step, this is a great opportunity. It's just for those who've already started that healing journey and want to go deeper around other men. We still have 4 spots available. Go for it, or DM me through whichever platform this is being shown on. All right, take care.